We're
Am I in a
recording.
good position? Okay, hello. Okay, well, I was very skeptical about doing video therapy, physical therapy, and I didn't think it was going to work for me because I take advantage of manual therapy so often. But I've actually found that it's been extremely helpful because I've learned a lot of tools to help myself independently that I didn't have use of before. And I found that I feel much better after the sessions, and my mobility is increased and my deficits are decreased. So I've gone back to my once a week sessions. I'm still looking forward to direct manual therapy, but I think this is a great alternative for, the current conditions.
Hey, that's great. Thanks a lot, Beth.
Oh, you're welcome. All
Well,
right. Thank you. Have a good week, and I'll see you next Thursday. Okay.
all right. And I'll send you these links like normal. I appreciate you being here.